Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa, you are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to do a line review on the Kinky Curly line of products. I have put my hands on all the products I could possibly find in the drugstores near me, in the beauty stores near me, and this is what I have right now. I have the Come Clean shampoo. I have their Not Today Detangler slash leave-in conditioner. I also get their curling custard, and finally I have their spiral spritz. Before I get into this video, I want to make my little announcement. I am starting a new series of videos that is going to be all about you guys and your curly hair journey. I would love it if you could send me an email with a couple pictures of you and your curly hair before you started the journey and about now, or a recent picture of you. Please make sure you put the month and the year on each picture, and you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You can, it's all about your curly hair. Don't worry if you don't think that you're even close to halfway through your curly hair journey. If there is a change in your curl patterns, it's worth sharing with the world. It will encourage a lot of women to keep going in their journey. So just do it. All right, also in this email, give me a short text about your journey. Why did you start it? How damaged was your hair? Was it bleach damage, heat damage, just neglect? Did you do a big chop, or did you cut your hair a little bit every month? What happened? Finally, let us know what styling technique you like to use and what products are your favorite at this moment. If you have a Facebook group, or if you have an Instagram, or if you have a YouTube channel that you would love to share, I would be happy to feature it in the video. All right, let's get to this video. All right, so today was a wash day. After I was done with my workout, I went ahead and took a shower. I then used the Come Clean shampoo. This shampoo was really cleansing. It had a really good lather to it. It left my hair feeling a little dry and brittle, and I really needed to put a conditioner. I did not find any conditioner from this line of products, so I went ahead and used their Not Today Natural Leave-In Conditioner slash detangler. I detangled my hair with a brush, and then I started to clump my hair to start to give it its natural curl pattern. Once I was done with the scrunching, I put my hair in a shower cap and went ahead and did the rest of my shower. Once I was done showering, I took the curling custard and applied it on the length of my hair. I scrunched the product in, and this time, in order to do the plumping method, I decided to use a hairnet. Then I went ahead and put lotion on my body, put my clothes on, did my makeup, and finally it was time to dry my hair. The drying technique is different than what I'm used to, so this time, instead of going up and down all around my hair, I stayed on one section of my hair for a long period of time and then move on to the next section of my hair and stay there for a long period of time. Once I was done diffusing, I took a look at what I was dealing with, and I noticed that a few of my hair strands were not very defined and was kind of flying around. I have a few frizz here and there. So that's when I took the spiral spritz, and I went ahead and reshaped the curls that needed a little bit of help. And then voila, this is the end result about an hour after I was done styling my hair. So far, I can tell you that this line of product keeps my hair hydrated and defined throughout the day, and this no matter what the weather is throwing at me. Another thing that I really like about this line of product is their ingredient list. When you look at it, it is a very short ingredient list, about less than 20 ingredients, and I want to say 15 to 18 of those products are organic, natural products. It is one of the cleanest line of products that I've experienced. The price point is really affordable. The most expensive product was the curling custard, and I think it was about, I'm not sure, I'll put the price here if I if I'm wrong, but the rest of the products were between $10 and $12 depending on where I bought them. So this is super affordable. The products I was able to find everywhere were the Not Today and the curling custard, but I had a little bit more trouble finding the shampoo and the styling serum, but I found them. I will link the products in my Amazon store that you will find in the description box below. What else can I say? I've been using the gel for longer. I have to say that if anything, the gel is a little bit on the heavier side. It could weight your hair down if you have fine wavy to curly hair, and it will make your dry time a little longer. Now, when you pair the leave-in conditioner and the gel together, you'd think that your hair would be super weighted down, but actually it is not at all. The leave-in conditioner does a good job at giving you curl definition, shine, and hydration, but it does not give you so much hydration that your hair is weighted down. Therefore, if you were to use this on its own, I think that your hair would feel a little bit on the dry side, but when you pair it with the gel brings that hydration that is needed. So I would say be light-handed on the gel. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that I've only used those products together with the clumping method. So I have not used this product with the rake and shake technique or hand curling technique. Okay, so those are different technique, and products react differently depending on what technique you use. So that's something to keep in mind. Also, when you pair this gel with another leave-in conditioner from another line of product, you may experience weighted down hair because the gel is already hydrating. If you have a leave-in conditioner that is already super hydrating on fine wavy to curly hair, you may end up with greasy, weighted down hair. So be aware of that. Play around with the product and work, play around with the dosage. The one product that I didn't really get to play around with that much is the styling serum. I think the styling serum is a good option as a leave-in conditioner, again, to pair with this gel if you were to use the Not Today as a conditioner. So let's say you shampoo and condition and rinse this off of your hair completely, and then for the styling product you would use the serum and the gel together. This is something I'm gonna have to explore and see how it works. I suggest you try to do the same thing. But also on day 2, I think this is a great option. I think I will be doing a video where I show you how I refresh my hair on day 2 using only this spray, maybe a little bit of the gel. But first I have to play with it a little bit more, and then if I like the result, I will show it to you. Bon ben voilà, that's it. I think I talk about everything: the price, the ingredient list, how the product reacts in my hair. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below, have you tried any of these products? Have you paired the gel with other leave-in conditioner and had a good, lightweight, defined result? If so, what's the leave-in conditioner you paired it with? Yeah, that's my question for you guys. All right, I'm gonna go. I think I talk about everything. Let me know in the comments below your experience with this line of product. Don't forget that if you want to try it, it is available in my Amazon store. I give it I want to say a 9 out of 10, a 4 out of 5. I really, really like this line of product and I totally approve of it. So it's Louisa approve. And then that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.